Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 257. So basically this error code prevents you from accessing any game by detecting cheat software from anti-cheat software. So if you're using cheats, don't use it, because you will be getting this error and you will not be able to basically enter the game. But if you don't, then I will show you a couple of fixes. So first of all, what you need to do here, if you're playing, for example, on browser, you need to disable browser plugins. So for example, ad blockers sometimes can occur basically this error. So what you need to do here, you need to go to extensions and disable all the extensions here if you're playing on web version, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is to change your DNS addresses, right? So on the bottom right, you should see network icon here. Go to network and sharing settings, go to advanced network settings, then go to more adapter options here, then right click on properties, and then you need to make sure that this one is not enabled, Internet Protocol version 6. And on Internet Protocol version 4, you need to use the following DNS server addresses and just write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4. Press apply, okay, and you need to look then if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to just basically clear your DNS cache. So what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD and search, just write CMD, command prompt, and then run as administrator. And then you just need to put these commands here. So first one, ipconfig flush DNS, and then others, net nesh int IPv4 reset, nesh int IPv6 reset, nesh wint HTTP reset proxy, nesh wint reset, and ipconfig register DNS. And after you put these commands, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, try to restart your internet, or maybe try to log into the different account. But usually by completing these steps, the problem will be fixed if you're not using cheats. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.